Welcome back all of you to our online platform, that is our school's YouTube channel. So again we are ready with today's video. This video is for class 8th and the subject is maths, and we are continuing the same chapter, that is chapter number 8, and the name of the chapter is comparing quantities. So we are discussing the questions from exercise 8.1. Yesterday we have discussed up to question number 3. So today we will start with question number 4. As I told you previously that you are supposed to have your textbooks with you while watching the video, so that you can also read the question and you can understand the information given in the question. So first of all we will read question number 4. In question number 4 it is given that a football team won 10 matches out of total number of matches. So how many matches they won? Matches won, ten. So a football team won 10 matches out of total number of matches they played, and percentage was 40%, and winning percentage is 40%. Now we have to find how many matches they played in total. Let the total number of matches played be m. हमने m ले लिया है. Now we have given that the team won 10 matches out of m and the winning percentage is 40%. So according to question, 40% of total matches. 40% of total matches means 40% of m is equals to 10. Like this only, that is given in the question, that 40% matches they won, and how many matches they won actually, that is 10, and we are supposed to find the total number of matches they played. So we have assumed that let the total number of matches played by the football team be m. So 40% of m should be 10. 40% of m means 40 upon 100 into m, that is 10. Now this is the simple equation, or we can say the linear equation. So we are supposed to solve now. So we are supposed to find the value of m. So m will be equals to 10, and that will be transferred on that side. 40 is multiplying here, so that will divide, and 100 is dividing here, so that will multiply. So 100 will go upside and 40 will go downside, and now we can cancel out the zeros. 0 cancel out 0, and 4 25 is a 100. So m is equals to 25. As the question is the word problem, so we are supposed to write the answer in the language. So the football team played 40 matches in total. So the total number of matches played by the by the football team was 20. Oh, that is not 40, that is, the answer is 25. So we got the answer 25. So the football team played 25 matches in total. So afterwards we are supposed to proceed question number 5. And first of all we should read what is given in question number 5. That is, the question is like that: if Chameli has rupees 600 left, so the money left is equals to rupees 600, and the next thing given is after spending 75% of the money. Spending percentage, that is 75% of the money she spent. How much did she have in the beginning? So we have to find money in the beginning. Money in the beginning, B M. Suppose she was having M rupees, and after spending 75%, she was still having 600 rupees. So money spending percentage is 75%. Left percentage means the total percentage is 100. How much money she spent? 75%. And how much left? 100% minus 75%, that is 25%. So according to question, 25% of M is equals to 600, because she was left with 25% of the money, and 25% of total money M is left with her, and that is 600. So 25% means 25 upon 100 into M, that is 600. Again we got the simple equation. Now we have to find the value of M. So M will be equals to 600, and 100 will go upside and 25 will come downside. So 100 upon 25, and we know that 25 1 ja 25, 25 4 ja 100. From here we got that M is equals to 4 6 ja 24, that is 2400. So that is the answer. As I told you previously that in the word problems we are supposed to supply the answer in the language. So we will write that Chameli was having rupees 2400 in the beginning. That is the answer. So like this we are supposed to proceed. So after that we will discuss the next question, that is question number 6. Question number 6. In question number 6 it is given that if 60% people in the city like cricket, 30% football, and the remaining like other games, what percentage of the people like other games? If total number of people are 50 lakhs, find exact number of each type. So the total number of people are 50 lakhs, and 50 lakhs means 50 lakh. So they are segregated in the form that is cricket, and then football, and then others. So 60% of the people like football, that 60% of the people like cricket, and 30% like football, and the others will be 100% minus 60% plus 30%. We have to subtract from 100 the people who like cricket and football, and that will be 100% minus 90% is equals to 10%. So 10% people like other games. So the first part has been done. We have calculated the percentage of the people who like the other games. Now we are supposed to find the exact number of people. Number of people like cricket, that will be 60% means 60% of 50 lakh. 50 lakh, that will be 60% means 60 upon 100 into 50 lakh, the total. So 1 0 will cancel out 1 0 and 1 0 will cancel out 1 0, and then that can be 6 5s are 30, 6 5s are 30, and 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5. So 30 lakh people like cricket. Now number of people like football, that is 30% means 30 upon 100 into 50 lakh, total number of people. Again we will cancel out the zeros and we will find that 5 3s are 15 and 1 2 3 4 5, that is 15 lakh. So now the number of people like other games, that is 10%. So that will be 10% means 10 upon 100 into 50 lakh, total number of people. So we will cancel out the zeros. From here we will get 5 lakh. So we have found the exact number of people who like the different type of games. So out of these, out of 50 lakhs, 30 lakh people like cricket, 15 lakh people like football, and the remaining 5 lakh like the other games. If you want to check our answer, so we can add all these 15 lakhs plus 5 lakhs, 20 lakhs, 20 plus 30, that is 50 lakhs, and that is the number of people we are having in total. So our answer is correct. So I hope that you have understood the questions, how to proceed such type of questions. So first of all, you are supposed to repeat the questions what we have done during this video. Afterwards you are supposed to try the remaining questions. At the same time, if you are facing any kind of problem or if you are having any kind of doubt, then you can message us or you can even call us. We will try to rectify your doubts, or if it is required, then we will include your doubts in the next video. The main thing is that you are supposed to solve. Until or unless you are solving the questions, you will not have any kind of doubts, and if your doubts have been cleared, then you can conveniently easily proceed the questions given in your textbook. At the same time, after completing the homework, you are supposed to take the pic of that and you are supposed to upload on the school's WhatsApp number. Thank you very much.